cycle of fourths on the key of D. So we have okay, so the breakdown real quick. Left hand side we have B flat, D, E, and A. Then right hand side we have so this is E and A with slow from F to F sharp. Then the melody line, this is E and G, and this is D and G flat. You can actually apply the same formula here. Over the 6, so left hand side, this is A, C sharp, D, and G flat. Then right hand side we have the same slow, which is this is B and E. So slow from C to C sharp. Then so breakdown. Left hand side, this is E rootless, by the way. So this is A and E flat. Then right hand side I have G major triad, G, B, and D. So next chord, this is A flat and D. Then right hand side F major triad, G flat, B flat, and C sharp. Then we'll come to the 5, which is A rootless on the left. So left hand side, this is G, B, C, and E flat. Then right hand side we have, this is A and D. So that grace notes from B flat to B. Then the last chord, which will be the 1. So left hand side, this is F sharp, C, and E. Then right hand side, if you notice I did this walk up. So this is A flat, C sharp, and F. So the next chord, playing it together, this is A, then grace notes from E, F to F sharp. Okay, let me play it here so you can see my fingering. Then come to the 4. So left hand chord, this is G, D. With my thumb I have A and B together, like so. Then right hand side I have F sharp and D on top, which these grace notes from A, B flat to B. Yeah, so in case you want to run the arpeggio, that's still fine, but the fingering is going to be different. You can actually do this, but it might not sound clean. Okay, so what you do this instead. So on my left hand side I have just the F sharp, then my right hand is playing A, B, D, and E. So same thing played in succession. So we have